Okay, everybody is going to have to read independently a book of their choosing. So an easy way to do that, if you don't have a book at home or you don't go to the library or Amazon or Kindle to get a book, is you go to your Clever and find the app that looks like this little kind of astronaut looking guy. And it's Sora by Overdrive. Click on that. Screen similar to this will pop up. You're going to click search for book. You're going to come where it says more options. You're going to go down here where it says ATOS levels, and then you can pick your reading level. So if you're in first grade, you want to pick this 1 to 2. Here's another thing. If you know you struggle with reading books on grade level, that's completely okay. That's why you're in school, to learn. So let's say you're in third grade, but you struggle to read. You know, reading is not your favorite. You have a lot of trouble with it. You might want to put in the slower one, 2 to 3. Or if you have a lot of trouble, you can even put in the 1 to 2. That's okay. It'll give you the whole range here. Let me show you here, though. You don't want to read a first grade book. If you're in third grade, that might not interest you. So you're going to click here, and you might click the middle grades, 4 through 8. So it'll find books that are on your level, but that are interesting for your age group. Okay? So right now we're just going to put, we're going to put lower grades for this one. And we're going to try to find books that are first to second grade level. Okay? You can look through here too. It says text difficulty. If I'm in first grade, I might want to put grade 1 there. Okay? And then you come down here to this blue search button and click search. See up here all the things that we put in. Okay? And then you can look through here and see the books that are available. If it says borrow, it means that it's available right now. Okay? So you're going to look through here. Let's look at Pete the Cat. It tells you a little bit about it here. You can read a sample. You can add it to your list. Maybe you want to read that one later. And I'll tell you all the information here. So 1.3, so beginning of first grade. Interest levels for those lower grades, kindergarten through third grade, seem to like Pete the Cat. And then the text difficulty, kindergartners through first grade reading levels are available. So there's one available. And if I clicked borrow, it means it would put it in my library and I could begin reading it. That one didn't sound interesting. You just go back to search. Keep looking through here till you find one that looks interesting to you. How about this one? The water protectors. Let's look at this. Okay, this is for late first grade. So this means ninth month of first grade. So if you want a little bit of a challenge, if you're in first grade and want a little bit of challenge, you might pick this one. Interest levels K3. And it tells you all about the book here. You can see, if that sounds interesting, you can see more like it down here. Look here and you see this icon of a headset. That just means it is an audiobook. So if you click on it, it says format, it'll say audiobook here. It's 3 minutes long, so it's not very long. Other way you can search, I just did first grade, and that gives me some different books. So this gives me some chapter books to look at. So search both ways till you find a book that you would like to read. See, so if we type in 4th grade, it'll give us a lot more. So try typing in your grade level here, or your child's grade level, or where we have the search, you can click more options, search by subject, you can search by the level here, you could search by text difficulty, interest level. Play around with it, see what works for you, because everyone is going to need to read a book, or of course you can always go to the library or get a book from Amazon. Bright Thinker, it may ask you to read a specific book. Here's where you can go and type in that book. So you see it's right here, and you can borrow it and use it for your reading assignments in Bright Thinker. Questions? Let me know.